Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing this Barnes & Noble exclusive Lord of the Rings Funko mystery box. Boy, that was a mouthful. Let's see. My Owl Crate letter opener that is Sting, so I feel like it's pretty fitting. So here we have our box. Okay. When you first open the box, it's got this really cute one ring to rule them all. This is a mystery mini. And the mystery mini is in a bag, in a box. Okay, so this is Sam. I actually already have Sam, so that's a little disappointing. Okay, this is the Invisible Golem, Barnes & Noble exclusive, and I actually already have him, so I might do a giveaway for him. But this I don't have. This is the Galadriel Barnes & Noble exclusive. I am one of those heathens that keeps my pops out of their boxes, so we're gonna open her up. She is so pretty. I love, love, love her. Okay, so that was exciting. And I also have, I get the box out of it. Gollum, I think I'm gonna do a giveaway for. And then Sam, I might do a giveaway for as well. Or I might just take them to my local used bookshop that takes trade-ins. And the box was also on sale. So I feel like for getting Galadriel, who I have not been able to find, it was a pretty good deal. And that box, the box is super cute, and I'm definitely gonna put it on my bookshelf somewhere. So there is that. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.